My name is Josh, and I'm in the Sustainable Energy program in the School of Public Policy and Administration.
My name is Kelia, and I'm in the same program in the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering.
The interdisciplinary focus of this program means that students are encouraged to take on projects that work across the two disciplines. I'm currently working on a thesis where I've had to work very closely with Kelia.
Though we're producing two different end products, Josh and I collaborate on many aspects of our research. Our project gave us the opportunity to travel to Moose Factory, Ontario, to work with the First Nations community on improving the sustainability of their energy system.
My research has two components. The first examines energy use in the residential sector, specifically occupant behavior, and the second looks at community preferences for different generation technologies and desired qualities in an energy system.
My research focuses on renewable energy resource assessment and the development of an energy grid with an integrated district heating system. I'm tailoring both my research and my recommendations to best suit the community's desires.
For me, the practical nature of the project was really exciting. It's highly rewarding to be part of research that has real-world implications.
I consider myself incredibly lucky to be able to work on this project, and I definitely recommend the pursuit of interdisciplinary graduate studies to anyone who might be considering them.